So what? The whole world is facing an unprecedented crisis in the recent human history, the coronavirus pandemic, with extremely serious consequences for human life, public health, and the economy. In Brazil, this emergency is made much worse by an irresponsible president who is in constant denial of the seriousness of the epidemic. Jair Bolsonaro is actively boycotting all efforts for social isolation. He is also trying to impose a treatment with a dangerous drug which has not been proven to be effective against COVID-19 and has very serious side effects and cases of fatality. Two health ministers have stepped down amidst the pandemic, and until this moment, there is no health minister. Bolsonaro is the major obstacle to reducing the spread of the virus in Brazil. The president is a menace to public health, disregarding science, the determinations of the World Health Organization, and the tragic experience of other countries. Brazil is now the second country with the biggest number of cases, despite a low testing rate. Faced with the escalating numbers of cases and deaths, his answer was, so what? The man who occupies the Brazilian presidency is incapable of governing Brazil and dealing with this crisis. Even before the pandemic, his disastrous tenancy had severely debilitated the public services, the economy, hurt irreversibly the environment, indigenous, and minorities. Bolsonaro is not only incompetent, he commits crimes, defrauds information, lies, and promotes chaos, while taking advantage of the most vulnerable portion of the population in what could arguably be called a genocide. Bolsonaro, with his catastrophic decisions and example, is much more than a political problem. He's a public health danger who needs to be contained and made responsible for the many crimes he is committing against humanity.